Hey guys, it's your girl Kimberlyn XO. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure that you subscribe and turn on the notifications. In this video, I'm going to be transforming into Deadpool's Domino from the movie Deadpool 2. And this video is in partnership with Iris Beauty, which is a website that sells really affordable contact lenses. They're super comfortable. I'm going to list them in the description box below. So now I'm just going to jump right into this transformation. So this pair of contacts is in the shade Golden Brown, and they're super comfortable and easy to put in. Here's a discount code for you guys to save 15%. So I'm going to start off by filling in my eyebrows. And Domino's eyebrows are pretty thick. So I'm just going to go on my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Brow Palette and fill them in. So now I'm just going to quickly prime my face with E.L.F's Poreless Facial Primer. And to prime my eyes, I'm simply using my E.L.F's Illuminating Eye Cream as a primer. So Domino's look is very natural. She really doesn't look like she's wearing any makeup at all. All that she has on is a little bit of lipstick and her alopecia patch on her eye. So with that being said, I'm going to try to make this eye look really simple. So for that, I'm using my Pure Cosmetics Soiree Diaries palette. And I'm going to be using the shade Splurge. And I'm just going to swipe that onto my eyelid. So next, I'm moving on to my foundation, and I'm using my Milani's Conceal and Perfect Foundation in the shade 910. Now I'm going to move on to concealer, and for concealer, I'm using ColourPop's concealer in the shade Medium Dark 32. I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro and a little bitty makeup sponge to dampen it, and then I'm going to blend out this concealer. I'm going to make the little alopecia patch that Domino has on her eye with some concealer, and I'm first going to shape it out with ColourPop Sculpting Stick in the shade Illuminati. They don't sell these anymore. I got it a couple of years back, but I never really used it because the shade was a little bit too bright. I think it would be perfect for this look. Now to clean it up a little bit, I'm taking some more of my Milani foundation, and I'm just going to carve out the areas that I don't want to be there. Now I'm going to set it with some powder. I'm going to set this patch with my Absolute New York Banana Setting Powder, and I'm going to set the rest of my concealer with my Airspun Setting Powder. Now that I'm looking hella pale, I'm going to start carving out my face. So I'm going to contour with my favorite contour powder, which is the Black Radiance Contour Powder in the shade Rich Mahogany. Fish face. This actress's nose is much smaller than mine, so I'm going to contour my nose too. She doesn't look like she's wearing much blush or any highlighter, but I'm still going to add some blush and highlighter. So for blush, I'm using my new blush palette from BH Cosmetics. And for highlighter, I'm going to be using my Luster Dust highlighter that I got from ColourPop. And I'm going to be taking this shade right here out of the blush palette because it's pretty natural. The trick to getting a really good highlight is to blend. If you blend your highlighter in really well, it actually looks like you do have a natural glow. Now I'm going to apply some Nicka K mascara. And for my lips, I'm using E.L.F's Kneaded Nude Lipstick and Praline Lipstick. Adding just a little bit more highlighter. Now the last thing that I'm going to want to do is set my face. And for that, I'm using my Beige Cosmetics setting spray, and this should just melt everything together. Now I'm just going to go throw on my costume and do my hair and then show you guys the final look. For this video, you guys. If you liked it, make sure that you smash the like button and have a happy Halloween. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.